All right, we got 10 minutes to the opening bell. The 4 hour. I think the draw on liquidity is this high here. We also have this this gap, could potentially still hold price lower, but I want to see this high. Ideally, I will be looking for this high to be taken here. To the 1 hour. Getting it. So it looks pretty decent here. This 4 hour. Possibly find some bounce here at this weekly opening, or this new week last week's opening gap high. So your price shows some willingness to want to come down into that area, find some support, and then start to trade higher. Looking at it here. So that's my idea right now for Nasdaq. So run down into here, trade higher, see what we get at this opening bell. Gold. This is the draw on liquidity for gold. 494, 45.94. See it trade into this area here. So getting that move down into that gap now. Getting that opening bell. Get that move lower. So now we're just outside of that weekly opening gap. Here's where I want to start seeing some bounce. Getting a close above there. Like to see the structure shift. Notice the bodies are holding within this gap, which is a good sign. Just waiting for price to show some structure shift on this side. So now we're below that gap. New 5-minute candle has just opened. And we are Heavy bearish right now. Just waiting for price to give this. I think we should be ready to get some bounce. I'm just giving up most of this without taking any buy side separate up here, so you can still good. Although we did not get that bounce at that at the week opening gap, you can still see some price action above here. Want to see it get back above here, this red line. You got one gap here. Let's see if this is the move here. Just not willing to take a short here. I mean, yeah, a short here in this down move. Just doesn't look like a good idea to me right now. So again, that red line is still my area, which I would like for price to get back above in order for me to start to think about engaging this market. This is a deep retracement. We got one gap formed on this sell side delivery. You're going to see it snap back higher. That'll be a good indication that we could be looking for higher prices. Good. It's going to take that low, and so we have completely redone the 4-hour price action in this candle. And with that, I'm gonna see what happens here at this 4 hour opening. If we're gonna get back above it, we have a lot of buy side liquidity to the upside. I'm gonna see a price that could rebound from here, or if it's going to close below this 4 hour open. We got this crazy down move. Inside the week opening gap right now. Buy here.
Order filled. Stop filled.
So yeah, I stopped out that position. Probably too low on the stop. Gonna go back in.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Two more there. I'm not gonna be so quick to move our stop loss just yet. To see if we can continue to build this position up, move it up just a little bit. My 3 more there.
Order filled.
And let this run. We got ES and Dow is extremely bullish right now, so we want to see Nasdaq catch up. And the thing is, if this is bullish, I want to see it expand away from the 4-hour, the 4-hour open, which we're getting right now. And once we reach, I think 1225, 1250, it'll automatically take me out of the trade to lock in my profits for the day, to protect my my daily profit target objective. I cannot make more than, I think, 1250 to protect my payout. So just letting this run right now. I think at this point we can go break even. I think I probably might have to make 1400 just based on that earlier loss that I took. So I want to see prices continue to expand higher. Show some willingness to expand about, make another higher high from here. And if we can get that 374, 409.
Order filled.
All right, so we have hit our profit objective for the day. We have made 1200 on this account. That was a good trade. Break it down, go over what we were looking at. So we got this entire run lower, completely outdone the earlier session trading. We jumped to a higher time frame. We see that the 4-hour was coming from sell side liquidity, and now repricing higher. I wanted to see that the draw on liquidity be this high here, and so dropping down to a lower time frame, we just drop down to 15 minute. We did have price open up with the opening bell. You can see the 4-hour candle open here, traded higher. We've seen the opening bell completely give up early morning sessions trading down into this new week opening gap. My idea was that if we are still bullish, I do not want to see price close below this 4-hour open. And so with taking that narrative into the lower time frame, I wanted to wait until price basically gave me a shift of market structure to show me that it was bullish. Once it did, you're looking at the 5-minute where we have this run below these sell side liquidity, but we are still in bullish price action. So we allow for this to happen and still maintain our bullish ideas. Granted, given if price does not close below this 4-hour open, and we did not get that close below We are now currently about to see 7 o'clock open, which will be another 4 hour candle. And so with that, we will again want to continue to expect price to expand away from this area and seek out the buy side liquidity that was uh, accumulated or pulled at 430, and also that high was at 487. So, but that is the business for the day.